Hi, let's meet Pavitra ma'am. Pavitra is a class 6 teacher who teaches everything from English to science and geography. She also doubles up to engage her students in extracurriculars. Pavitra loves her students and always wants to give them the very best. But somehow she feels that she lacks in imparting important 21st century skills such as creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, which are important for their future. Knowing that the world these students see 10 years from now will be very different, she realizes the need for these skills. So, after some research, she comes across makerspaces, a place where students can create, solve problems, develop skills, talents, and thinking through the process of making. But all the solutions she found were either too expensive or just too difficult to implement. She almost lost hope. But that's when she found Project Prayogshala. Project Prayogshala is a reimagined makerspace initiative that envisions to set up Prayogshalas or makerspaces in every community, regardless of the resource constraints. We, Project Prayogshala, would provide enthusiastic educators with a free kit complete with resources to help them set up a Prayogshala and run it efficiently. Our free kit comprises a Prayog book, a personalized web app, Prayog Corner, and a lot more. With these resources, Pavitra sets up her own Prayogshala in her school and online. In time, she started to notice that the students were indeed becoming more collaborative and creative. Visit projectprayogshala.com and start your very own makerspace.